Introduction to Advanced Azure Synapse ARM Template Guide. Azure Synapse is a cloud-based analytics service that brings together enterprise data warehousing and big data analytics into a single platform. ARM templates are used to create and manage Azure resources and can be used to deploy Azure Synapse resources. Understanding the basics of ARM templates. ARM templates are JSON files that define the infrastructure and configuration for your Azure resources. They are used to create and manage Azure resources in a consistent and repeatable way. To use ARM templates with Azure Synapse, you need to have a basic understanding of JSON and ARM template syntax. Creating an Azure Synapse ARM template. To create an Azure Synapse ARM template, you need to define the resources you want to create, such as a Synapse workspace, a storage account, and a SQL pool. You can use the Azure portal or Visual Studio Code to create and edit your ARM template. Key concepts and properties. Some key concepts and properties you need to understand when creating an Azure Synapse ARM template include the workspace name and location, the storage account type, and the SQL pool performance level. You also need to understand how to configure security and authentication for your Azure Synapse resources. Practical example. Here is a practical example of an Azure Synapse ARM template that creates a Synapse workspace, a storage account, and a SQL pool. This template includes the key concepts and properties mentioned earlier and demonstrates how to configure security and authentication for your Azure Synapse resources. Best practices. Some best practices to keep in mind when using ARM templates with Azure Synapse include using parameters to make your template more flexible and reusable, using output to display the results of your template, and using a consistent naming convention for your resources. Conclusion. In conclusion, using ARM templates with Azure Synapse is a powerful way to create and manage your Azure Synapse resources. By following the key concepts and best practices outlined in this guide, you can create a consistent and repeatable way to deploy your Azure Synapse resources and improve your overall productivity and efficiency.